So guys, let's quickly clear the air on this question that I know might be bothering you or might equally be bothering me. So the big question now is, can airdrop really make you rich? Well, if you're asking if airdrop can really make you rich, it's just like asking if cryptocurrency can make you rich. And as you all know, the cryptocurrency industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so anything can happen. And cryptocurrency have been recorded to be magic money, or is known to be magic money. Anything can happen in the cryptocurrency industry. You can go bankrupt overnight and you can become rich overnight. But it depends on the strategy you are applying. So let's ask ourselves, can airdrop really make you rich? Well, airdrop is basically free token distribution or free crypto token distribution by project owners or by Web3 project owners. And now the way they are doing it, they will make you play games to earn this airdrop. They won't just give it to you for free. Although it's for free, since you are not buying it with your money, you only make use of your mobile phone and spend your data to actually become eligible for this token distribution after a period of time. So there are so many airdrop projects currently ongoing out there, and I'm participating in so many of them, and I've confirmed so many of them. Although not much, because I'm barely a year in the airdrop industry or in the airdrop business. People have been there for years and they have testified so well. Let's talk about airdrop making you rich or not making you rich. Well, I will not tell you outright that airdrop can make you very rich overnight, and I will not tell you, or I will not boldly tell you that airdrop cannot make you rich. It depends on the level of money you are looking for, or it depends on how fast you want your money, or how fast you want to become rich, or it depends on the strategy you are working with. So this is how airdrop actually works. You join the project, you follow for some time, complete quests, log in on a daily basis, and then maybe after a month, 2 or 3, some projects or some airdrop projects even last for like about a year. Then they do the token generation, token distribution, and token listing. That's when you will know how much you will make from any airdrop project you're engaging. But as at the point or as at the period of engaging in this airdrop project, nobody knows how much you will worth at the end of the day, or how much you get paid at the end of the day. But what I mostly look at for is the token, because this is the crypto ecosystem. Cryptocurrency is magic money. Anything can happen. A cryptocurrency can move from $0.1 to $3, $4, even $5. We have seen so many case studies like that. And I've been able to confirm several crypto projects, and that makes me so convinced that this thing works. There are so many things online that people preach that makes people money but doesn't work. So it's better you are making peanuts from something that works, compared to working on things that doesn't work, that people are just hyping, and like affiliate marketing and the rest of them. It's not as if they don't work, but there are ways to do this thing before they can start working for you. For airdrop, you don't really need to do much. You don't need to convince customers. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to set up a website. You don't need to set up a YouTube channel. You don't need to have a Facebook page. You don't need to run promotion. You don't need to run paid ad. All you just do is to engage with the airdrop project while it's ongoing, and then stand the chance of the airdrop allocation when the time comes. The first airdrop I actually made money from was the dog airdrop. I didn't make that much. I made around $46. Yes, that was how much I made. Approximately $50. That was how much I made. But I only did it for just 2 weeks. So you see, it's better I do this thing for 2 weeks and then get paid $46 than going maybe buying an affiliate marketing course, taking lectures, doing all of those procedures, and at the end of the day I might not even sell a single product, running ads and so on and so forth. So I equally did hamster combat. I made around $30 from hamster combat. I did Memphis. I made around $20 from Memphis, and all of this thing I didn't even put in much work. I didn't engage much, because then I was still new in the airdrop space. So I didn't know that if you really want to cash out massively from it, you need to put in work. Like, you need to engage with them so well. And there is one I equally engage with, AZ coin. AZ coin, now you can go and check online how much for one AZ coin, and I have about 100 plus AZ coin, and they have listed. I didn't sell. That's the only token I refuse not to sell, because I have now understood how the thing works. But when dog came out, I sold my dog. When hamster came, I sold. When Memphis came, I sold. And let's look outside my own corner. I equally have friends that made millions from the Notcoin project. I believe you all know the Notcoin airdrop project, or if you don't know, you can go and browse. I have friends that made millions from it. I have a very close friend that made over 500,000 naira from it. One of my boss, he made over 1 million from it. Do you know the strategy they implemented that made them make that much? They ran it on double accounts. This thing happens on Telegram, and now you can have the privilege of having more than one Telegram account. You can have 2 Telegram accounts, even 3 Telegram accounts, 4, 5, or 6, depending on how you can control them all. But I only have 2 Telegram accounts, so I run airdrop projects on 2 Telegram accounts. So this is what they did then, and then I wasn't engaging on Telegram. I so much hated Telegram. If not for airdrop, I don't like Telegram. I don't make use of Telegram. They were convincing me, hey Dan, come on to Telegram, let's airdrop together. I said, what's this airdrop stuff? Can you really make people money? Not until Notcoin listed, and my friend made over 500,000 naira, and the other one made over 1 million naira. I'll invite them to this channel so that they will testify. And very good, don't worry. Someday I will invite them to this channel. They will show you proof of what I'm talking about. They are not here right now, so that's why I can't call them over. So this is how airdrop work. It's cryptocurrency, okay, but it's cryptocurrency at the infant stage. You know that cryptocurrency take years to gain its value. If a coin enters the market today, you shouldn't expect that coin to have the same value. Coins that have been in the market for the past 5, 6, 7 years to have the same value. No, people barely know about the coin. People barely trade with the coin. So it will take time for the coin to gain value. So imagine you have thousands of these coins, and then after like 2, 3 years, the coin now massively gain value. What do you think will become of you? Take a look at dog. My friend made over 200,000 plus from dog airdrop. I made around 100 plus from dog airdrop. So this was the reason why I was so convinced about airdrop. It might not happen so fast. It might not happen big the way you wish, but it definitely happens. Airdrop will make you money. Okay, it will not make you rich overnight, but know that it will make you money. And I'm a YouTube content creator. So what do? If I'm engaging in any airdrop project, I make video about it and publish it on YouTube and make money from it as well. You can equally, implement this strategy I'm implementing. I already have a monetized YouTube channel. This video you are watching now, I'm going to get paid for it. But it doesn't matter. So you can do the same thing, because you doing the same thing will not stop mine from working. Create a YouTube channel, get it monetized, and start engaging with airdrop projects. Whenever you come across any legit airdrop project, just talk about it and publish the content on your YouTube channel. YouTube will pay you for it. When the airdrop lists, the airdrop will equally pay you for it. So there are so many ways, so many strategies that you can implement. So many people have big audience on TikTok, big audience on Facebook, big audience on Instagram. You can just pick one of these airdrop projects, talk about them, publish them on your social network, and make money from it. So it's very simple. If you are engaging in airdrop, automatically you are becoming a crypto savvy, meaning that you are gaining crypto knowledge. Airdrop will enlighten you with crypto knowledge. You will learn more about crypto, and the crypto industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, but so many people don't have the money to join. So that's why airdrop is here for those of us that don't have the money to join. Like me, I never had money to join the crypto ecosystem, but with the help of airdrop, I am now here and I'm going nowhere. So I'm equally urging you to join me. Join me, let's hunt these things together. It's called airdrop hunting. Some people call it airdrop farming. Some people call it airdrop mining. Whichever pleases you, no problem. You can use any term for it, but I call it airdrop hunting. You hunt for it. Nobody knows. A hunter that goes to the bush to hunt, he only goes out with hope, because he didn't keep any animal in the bush. It is out of hope that the hunter will go out believing that he will come across an animal and kill. Sometimes, he might come across small animals. Sometimes he might come across big animals. Some days he might come across even an elephant, a lion, or a tiger, and it will be a big hunt day for him. So same is applicable to the airdrop game. Some projects will come and do well, some will not do well, but do not let that discourage you, because some will come out and do very massive. Take a look at Notcoin airdrop project, take a look at Dog, take a look at S Empire, take a look at Major. So these are various airdrop projects that I engaged with, but I didn't actively engage with them. And when they listed very well. My friends that engaged actively with this airdrop project, they made cool money from it. And I'm regretting, but one thing that will make me not to regret too much is that airdrop never ends. The airdrop business have been existing for the past 2 decades. That's for the past 20 years. But it wasn't that rampant. So many people didn't know about it. So many people didn't know how to engage with airdrop project farming. Not until Telegram and the Ton Open Network or the Ton blockchain decided to get involved. and today airdrop is rapidly gaining popularity. People are joining, millions of people are joining from all around the world, and there are so many strategies that you can implement to help you accumulate more of any airdrop project token, so that when they list, you make more money from it. So be wise, join me in case you want to be more enlightened on how to airdrop or how to join the airdrop business. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Better still, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp contact line in this on the screen and in the video description below, so that you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I'm always available. We can talk, we can relate, we can I will teach you, I'll mentor you on how you can join this airdrop business. I'll show you, I'll recommend some unique airdrop project that I'm currently working on. The one I know that certainly they will list, they are good projects. You will equally partake from it when they list. So this is what I do. I run 2 Telegram accounts. If you want to maximize your profit the more, I will advise you run more than 1 Telegram account. Any project you are mining, mine here and mine there, so that when they list, you chop here and chop there. So it's a strategy. Some people even run 3 accounts. I have guys that have made money from this airdrop business, so many, and I myself have made money from it also, but I haven't really made the much millions I'm expecting to make. But hopefully this year, that's why I've been dropping airdrop related content on this channel, because I know that something huge is coming. So as time goes on, I'll equally be dropping listing projects. Once any project lists, I'll talk about them, so that you will believe me that this thing works. So that's it, guys. If you ask me again, can airdrop really make you money? I'll tell you yes, airdrop can make you money, because big social influencers are there, and airdrop project is being run with billions of dollars. Okay, billions of dollars and millions of dollars, not even thousands of dollars. So take note. If you join, you will smile. But note that it takes time though. It doesn't happen overnight. That's why it's called project. Anything like construction project, it takes time. Anything that has to do with project definitely takes time. But if you can be patient enough, accumulate as many tokens as possible, and hold the token even after listing, later on in the future you even smile more. So that's it, guys. I just want to clear the air, because so many people have been asking me questions even on WhatsApp. Can airdrop make you rich? Can airdrop make you money? How much can airdrop make you? Although it's not stated, nobody knows how much an airdrop project can earn you, but just engage. That's the most thing, because they say the first step to success is obedience. If you don't obey, how will you achieve from it? You must obey. Engage first, keep doing it, then before you start expecting results. So that's it, guys. My name is Daniel Anthony. If you want to learn more about airdrop, get in touch with me, we'll talk. Until we meet again, if you like what you just watched, subscribe, like the video, share. I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.